Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenza TV. It's the KF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zesco 0. I'm joined by Tavik.
Stivo.
Fede Tavik.
Great.
Corona love letter.
Stivo.
It's bleeding.
The message which I'm gonna send it to the Sundowns family, including the person who is talking, because I'm part and the parcel of that club. Maybe they will just respond to it. I want people to understand what we have been crying about, but they don't understand. Am I allowed to read it?
Yes,
Okay.
You are.
So, icala kanje Steve.
Dear Mama.
It's not dear Mama. This goes to Sundowns family. Dear Sundowns family. There is a conversation that South African football cannot keep dodging. When Mangoba Mngiti was relieved of his duties by Flemingberg, he had not suffered a league defeat in the CAF. The team was sitting number 1 on the Premier Soccer log. And the only blemish on the record was the loss in the Carling Black Label Cup final. Let's just fast forward it. Under Miguel Cardoso, the same club has already recorded defeats and has been eliminated from both the MTN 8 and the Carling Black Label Cup. Yet the response has been markedly different. Patience, understanding, calls for trust in process. This is where the discomfort comes. You know? The standards applied to Mngiti are not the same standards applied to Cardoso. That is not an emotional observation. It is a factual one based on results, log position, and outcomes of the competitions. When fans raise inconsistency, some are quick to dismiss it. When others go as far as framing criticism as bias or even racism, that accusation deserves care. It should not be thrown around lightly, but neither should legitimate questions about fairness and equal treatment be silenced. This issue is not nationality. This issue is consistency. You understand? It's not about Abo Leon or whoever. You understand? Yes. If results matter, they must matter equal.
To all coaches.
Exactly. They must matter equal. If trophies are the benchmark, they must be the benchmark for everyone. If patience is a virtue, it cannot be selective. Understand? South African football has suffered enough from shifting goalposts. What supporters are asking for is simple. Apply the same rule for everyone, local or foreign. Anything else fuels division, suspicion, and unnecessary narratives. Let's debate football on football terms. Let's not show favoritism. Because what is happening now? Because what is happening now in my team, it shows that there's favoritism.
It is.
So it's not about I'm trying to get anyone, but people must let us voice our voices. Not try and protect something which you can see is unprotectable. Why did it happen to the previous coach? What has changed so much which you are not being told? Understand? So I think going forward, it's a lesson for all of us as Sundowns family. Yes. And no, yes, I'm emotional. You can see the So I'm very cross because you know what? What happened recently in the stadium? We were told that we need to behave. Yes, we will behave. Yes, we will behave. But no, it's not about moving. No, London, unanyaka Sundowns. Yeah, unanyaka London kwa. Unanyaka ngene. He must behave. He must be watching. So
imagine how long are the great card.
So Steve, it's only about football, nothing else. Let's be treated fairly. What happened to Mngiti, what happened to Rulani, what happened, it must also apply to Cardoso. What is so special about Cardoso?
To add on, Steve, Paula, how many times we came here and then when we had to discuss Cardoso, I told you, it doesn't need a rocket science. Even one of school wakamunka Misako Sundowns.
Yeah.
They can make wonders there.
Yeah.
Exactly.
If he was to coach and play Sundowns for the team that it is,
Yeah.
we wouldn't be talking here, we wouldn't be having this topic.
Yes.
But even on Friday, if you checked the game, his selection number one is South American players. Some were not tested.
Yes.
They were lost. I'm sorry to say this.
Yes.
Even
Yo.
number 9.
Number 9,
Sales.
Sales.
Even Sales had to drop to be a defensive midfielder. It was the first time I see him being a defensive midfielder. He was lost in the park. Santos, the less we talk about him, the better.
Yeah.
So you've got players that you know that they can deliver.
Yeah.
Ndau showed signs of fatigue. He was not protected. He was not protected. No. Say that. What player? Yeah, coming to dress the key. So if you check, he was supposed to have protected him, but his substitution, or should I say his game tactic, is questionable.
Was off, yeah.
You understand? Because if you check the first 2 minutes how Sundown started, they were going to dominate the game.
Yes.
From the 5th minute, Sundown, like they were lost.
Yeah.
Damanole, ke Mangole, le Museningane, Leo, or what?
Leon.
Yeah.
That thing was just
And Vargas.
furious, angry, kicking the ball outside. We are losing. Instead of protecting the ball, take the ball, let's attack.
Yeah.
You are kicking it out
Outside.
to come back inside to play.
Steve.
What is that?
Dress to kill him.
And their attitude.
Lo one ba tshi ba
Their
dress
attitude
to
I don't
kill.
like. Yeah. Back to today's game, Steve. You know, I cannot tell you anything.
Yes.
Because, you know,
Scarlett
Scarlo scored again. But, you know, I don't know what to say, what to take on. Yes, they're saying Peterson,
How did you
15
sleep
clean
yesterday?
sheets
In a
and
row,
then
yeah.
in a row. But, you know, when someone is not tested,
Yeah.
wait until tested. But, Scarlo, just be honest.
Mara-
How many times was
Zita
it tested?
Kwinika left the man not marked there.
But how did he kick
He came
the
to
ball?
the party.
How did he kick the ball? Do that against Sundowns. Do that against Pirates. Give those chances and let's see.
Mudau tested you. Let's go to
Mtau
Mudau.
testi la hora ba la.
Yeah, no, it's not about
Peterson.
it's not about Mtau. So you know,
la ba re khulusa Mtau or Mtau. Wa sa bona ba fapana.
Steve.
Brother Mutau.
Yes, so I want a brother Mtau yesterday. So I'm scared now to come with my slippers like you are wearing, Steve. That brother Mtau is just gonna enter me. So what I'm wearing today, it can. Mudau can buy those 2 safaris which he was wearing yesterday. It's a safari that is not a suit. It's a safari to it's a safari to
And the shoe is new.
It's new.
It's coming
You
from
see,
buying it.
You can go and Google it and see how much it costs. Show them cameraman.
I can parula
Yeah.
apiko OBS into.
Yeah, you can have OPS here. Yeah, arena ya Luna. Arena ya Luna.
Mara Mutau to mo go batla fela ka dikonopo. Thank you, David.
Yeah.
No, you cook.
Yeah, I can rub out.
It's a safari.
Yeah. So, yeah.